Amazon Web Services is like renting a data center from a tech god who charges by the millisecond and judges your YAML skills. It powers half the internet, including Netflix, NASA, and probably your mom astrology blog. Instead of buying a server, you spin up an EC2 instance, which is a fancy dev word for launch a Linux box and forget to shut it down. Enjoy the bill. If you want to store files, S3. If you want database, RDS. If you want trigger code with no server, Lambda. If you want queue your existential threat, SQS. AWS has over 200 services, half of which solve problems you didn't know you had before, until you get the invoice. You will face VPCs, IAM policies, cloud formation, and something called a data lake, which is basically a glorified bucket with a LinkedIn profile. Every AWS setup eventually looks like a spider web of YAML, JSON, VPCs, and tiers. So, and IAM, it stands for I accidentally made everything public. But once you grok it, AWS is unstoppable and widely addictive, like Lego for DevOps. This is just the beginning. In this series, we will speedrun the core AWS services: EC2, S3, RDS, Lambda, IAM, and 15 more. One video at a time. Hit subscribe or don't. Just don't forget to stop that EC2 instance you spun up 3 months ago.